We did it again. We broke it again. This time, I think we broke the motors again. Turned it on. It's on low power. Shifted in drive and nothing. Shifted in reverse and nothing. This is still on. Yeah. So let's flip it over and see what we find. Alrighty. I'm gonna see if it's the wiring or if I fried a battery. Dude, that is all over the place. Well, I guess it is the motor because just replaced it with the known good one, and yep, a quick and easy swap. Swap these motors out for the other motors and send it. These new motors I had should last a little longer because they're 24 volt motors, and these ones are only 12 volt motors with an 18 volt Milwaukee battery. I think I just fried them. Probably. Time to test her out. Let's see if she works. Forward. Oops. I don't know how I always seem to do that, but I always seem to do that. Yeah, wired them backwards. At least I wired this one backwards. Right? This is it. They both spin this way. Okay. Only problem I have now is I don't think it'll work on low. Yeah, it will. Alright, cool. So we have high and low. Give it a week till my son breaks it again. I keep saying it's my son breaking it, but really it's just my shoddy craftsmanship. Probably shouldn't buy a bunch of Chinesium parts. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.